Welcome, y'all. Today we're going to talk about a topic that might not sound too exciting, but trust me, it's mighty important for businesses. Account reconciliation. Now, I know it might sound a bit fancy, but it's really just a way to make sure all your financial records are in order. So why is account reconciliation so important? Well, think of it like this. Your business is like a well-oiled machine, and your accounts are the gears that keep it running smoothly. If those gears get out of sync, well, things can start to go haywire. That's where account reconciliation comes in. It's the process of comparing your financial records, like your bank statements, with your own records to make sure everything matches up. It's like double-checking your work to catch any mistakes or discrepancies. Now, let's walk through the steps of reconciling your bank statements. First, you'll need to gather all your records, your bank statements, your own financial records, and any supporting documents. Then, you'll compare the transactions on your bank statement with the transactions in your records. Make sure everything lines up, the amounts, the dates, and the descriptions. If you find any discrepancies, don't panic. It happens to the best of us. The next step is to investigate and troubleshoot. Look for any errors or missing transactions. It could be a simple typo or a forgotten entry. Once you've identified the issue, you can take the necessary steps to resolve it. Now, I know this might sound like a lot of work, but trust me, it's worth it. Account reconciliation helps you catch errors, prevent fraud, and ensure the accuracy of your financial records. It gives you peace of mind and helps you make informed decisions for your business. So remember, y'all, account reconciliation is like the secret sauce that keeps your business running smoothly. Take the time to reconcile your accounts regularly, and you'll be on your way to financial success. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, keep those accounts in check.